Hey guys, this is the website link for our Tigrinya dictionary app. The name of the website is tigrinyadictionary.co.uk. On the right hand side you can see the links for our social media like Instagram, Facebook, and then our email as well. And then down here you can see the information about the app. The app can be downloaded in desktop, tablet, laptops, and then mobile phones. And then down here you can see the links for downloading the app in App Store and then Google Store. And then down you can see the information about the app. And then here, if you guys have any feedback, you can contact us on our email. Since I'm using iPhone, I will click on the link that will take me to App Store. Here you go. This is how the app looks like on App Store. The name Tigrinya Dictionary ATM. And then you can also search on the App Store. If I go to search and then type Tigrinya Dictionary, if I click, you can see our app is there, the first one. And then if I open it, you can see this is how the app looks like. You can search by Tigrinya words, or you can search by English words. You can also see examples how the word can be used as a noun, adverb, and then adjectives. Since I already downloaded the app, it gives me an option to open the app, so I will open the app. And then this is how the app looks like. You can search by English or Tigrinya. Say if I search by English, and then gives me the definition of this in Tigrinya, and then similar words, and then how it can be used. You can also have the pronunciation for that.
Test.
You can also search by Tigrinya words and then gives you the definition on English, and then the same similar words, and then how it can be used as a noun, and then examples of how it's been used as a noun as well. And then you have this autocomplete functionality. When you type any word, it gives you the different options that start by that word or that contains that word. So this is how the app looks like on iPhone.